Yesterday, for our last day of May, one of our busiest severe weather days of 2018 thus far. A couple of hot spots, as you can see, a lot of yellow dots from the Mississippi River Valley east into the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. And, of course, another hot spot with some hail and tornadic activity through the Intermountain West and into the high plains. But there were about 300 reports of severe weather yesterday nationwide, and a majority of those wind damage reports kind of clustered in the Ohio and Tennessee Valley with some thunderstorm activity that continued from an overnight thunderstorm from Wednesday to early Thursday morning. So again, pretty active. Our severe weather threats will continue now for the next 2 to 3 days with locally heavy rain, and the central U.S. is dealing with some record heat. We'll talk about that as well. Your best chance of severe weather today from North Dakota down to Nebraska, maybe even into Kansas City, Missouri there. A marginal threat of severe weather over West Texas, and then up near Atlanta, Georgia, we could have some severe weather developing this afternoon. Tomorrow from central and northern Missouri down to the Memphis area, even northwestern Mississippi. So another active day in the southern U.S. For Sunday. As you can see, a couple of marginal threat areas. But one wave of energy shifting south and east. That was the same wave that brought all those high wind reports across the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. But look at those thunderstorms that develop throughout parts of the Central Plains. And again, that could keep things a little bit unsettled through the central U.S. as we head into Saturday. Now, there will be pockets of heavy rain where these thunderstorms develop. Still looking at some decent moisture up near D.C. The ground is saturated over the eastern third of the nation with all the rain that we had during the month of May. But it is very dry. Extreme and exceptional drought levels continue from the Four Corners region east into the southern plains. So red flag warnings continue with some critical fire weather concerns again today. But heat advisory still in place over the central and southern plains where temperatures will be into the 90s, even triple digits. We are looking at some record heat within the central U.S. as we take you through your Friday.